Hello guys, here you can see how people have decorated with different types of color of light, and that is looking quite amazing. And this festival is very much famous for the young generation, and this festival is celebrated across the India for 3 days, even 4 days as well. I also enjoy a lot in this festival.
Diwali or Deepavali is also known as Festival of Light. But why do people celebrate this Festival of Light? So this festival is celebrated across the India in different way for a different reason. While some persons believe that this day marks the day of killing of demon named Narakasur by Lord Krishna. But some of person have a belief that this day marks the day of return of Pandav to Hastinapur. And the most famous across the country is this day marks the victory of Supreme Lord Ram and the mother of universe Sita and beloved Lakshman. And after killing the Ravan, after completing the 14 years of exile, when they came back to Ayodhya, the people of Ayodhya, they are waiting for their welcome, and they lit the Ayodhya and also lit the Diya as well. So for these reasons, the Diwali or the Festival of Light is celebrated.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some small conversation between the partner. Let's suppose if you don't have any partners, how can we communicate to some other persons? And in this video, I am also going to play the two roles. And you already know that we have completed the time period of Diwali, and some of the person also going to celebrate the Diwali today as well. So let's begin. How can we communicate to some other person if you don't have any partner? It is also a kind of practice. You can also do it by your own self. So let's begin without any further delay. So, hi Rahul, how about you? What about you? And how do you celebrate this festival? Yeah, my festival is quite good. What about you? Yeah, I also celebrate this festival a very enjoyment way, and you know that because of this festival, the lots of pollution happens. What about this? Yeah, you have told correctly, but you know that this festival of light only comes once in a year. So that festival is going to be quite interesting, and this is also my favorite festival. Yeah, that is the favorite festival, but we also take care about the pollution as well, because lots of the birds died because of the pollution, and you already know that the Delhi government has completely imposed ban on some of the firecrackers, all the firecrackers as well, including green firecrackers. So what about your matter about this? Yeah, it was a great decision has been taken by the Delhi government, because you know that Delhi is a very polluted city. However, some of the state also imposed a ban on some of the firecrackers as well. Yeah, it is quite good. So how did you celebrate this Diwali, this festival of light? Because we have come to the end of the Diwali, and today is very large day of the Diwali. However, the people are going to celebrate in the next day, but today it is last. So, and how did you celebrate the last 2 days? Yeah, it was quite good, because my brother has purchased some of the firecrackers, and I enjoyed it a lot. And I lit a rocket bomb, fountain cracker, spinning wheel. Oh my God, you have lit lots of firecrackers. So have you ever come across any dirt product? Yeah, because you know that whenever we purchase the any type of the rocket bomb, so definitely we will come across the dirt product as well, because the some of the persons, they mix with goods and the bad ones. So definitely we will come across the lots of that product. Yeah, definitely, because it is the business of that person. So don't worry about it. So what about you? And how did you celebrate this Diwali? Yeah, my festival is also good. I also celebrate by my own self. So how many family persons celebrate this festival of Diwali? No, I was alone, and with me, my nephew and niece were also there. Oh, okay. So how did they celebrate this Diwali? Yeah, because they are very young, so that's why he only played with sparklers. Okay, so what about you? How did you celebrate, and which type of the firecrackers did you lit it? Yeah, definitely bomb and rocket. Which one is my favorite? So I have lit or I lit by my hand as well, and I enjoy it a lot. So, uh, so tell me one thing, that did you purchase any kind of cheap and cheap product? No, 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 Rahul, I didn't purchase any kind of the cheap and cheap product. You know, if you purchase the cheap and cheap product, so it turned out to be a third. Yeah, it is quite interesting. You have told correctly. However, we have come across the some of the dirt product as well. There is no any doubt if you purchase the goods one as well. Yeah, it is right. So that was a very small conversation. I try my best to communicate in a two different way. It is quite difficult for me to make it a double type of the conversation. However, I try my best in order to make you understand. So we will meet in the next video. Enjoy your day. Have fun. Bye bye.